said before. Take the steps. Down here it is quite steep and it can get a bit slippy after it's been raining, so make sure you wear some good boots. I just passed a few hikers on the way up. They chose the hard way. You can come back this way if you want to, but there is an easier way. Same as going all the way around. Excuse me. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. Getting there. Next bend. That next corner. You can hear it. So, nearly here. Right. Like I said, please be careful down here. Again, if you've got small children, make sure they don't tumble. Want to do what I used to do as a kid, do the crab. That's how I was taught, so they don't slip. But yes, it's very nice down here. Just hold on for 1 minute. Get down. Did promise a waterfall, and you'll get a waterfall. So, here we go. Yes, it does look like something out of Lord of the Rings. It is very pretty, but it's not the only waterfall. Right, last video shortly.